Line 5 goes through a pretty critical area of the Great Lakes, right through the Straits. We have some critical sensitive habitats that we find in the Straits that we don't find in other places in the Great Lakes. People are just concerned that potentially we could have a big spill. If that takes place in the Great Lakes, we're not prepared. Because of the diverse habitat that we see in this region, we're going to have beach habitat, we're going to have deep water habitat, we're going to have coastal wetlands, we're going to have shoals. And each of those habitat types have their own type of microbial, natural microbial community. And that microbial community can essentially use that crude or that oil material as a food source and break it down. So essentially we're simulating Lake Huron and Lake Michigan in these tanks, and we've made microcosms. So we've taken each individual core and we've put it in a small jar, and then we've added water that we've collected from these habitats as well. And then we got hydrocarbon or the crude directly from Enbridge. Gave us exactly what's flowing through line 5 that we could spike those samples with. And then we experimentally manipulate how much nutrients we could add. So if there was a spill and it hit a coastal wetland, we could say, okay, we know what the microbial community is like, and we know what to give that community, what nutrients, to be able to jumpstart that community that will specifically break down that material. Here at Central Michigan University, we have the expertise to do this specific type of research.